Folks, welcome to MarineMax Miami. My name is Raheem Nahim, and today we're going to do a quick walkthrough on the new 255 Dorado. This particular boat, we power it with the standard Yamaha 150 horsepower engines, the most reliable engines in its class. If you notice the size of that T-top, extra shade. Great design. Let's go inside. The neat thing about the 255 Dorado is great seating. Right now we have an open deck right here, geared towards fishing. Here with your bolster, or when you're lounging around, we have a nice L-shaped seating here. Electric seat. Connects all the seats, turns it into like a sofa. Here's your kind of fillet table, Yeti cooler. Let's go here towards the helm. Flush Garmin 9-inch screen, Fusion radio. Nice size captain's chair. You could even fit 2 people in there. Storage for your phone. Another neat thing here is your passenger. 2 people can comfortably be sit here, or go standing, or right standing up, which is nice. Nice size head with a mirror. You want to go take a peek towards the bow. Great seating, nice and wide. Recessed windlass. If you want to take a look here, I wanted to show you one last thing here. How they designed this grab rail. Full LED lighting underneath. And again, great shade, big top. Well folks, thank you for joining us. Please keep on watching us for the next video. Thank you.